Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I was craving barbecue chicken, so I decided to make one. So I don't really know how the Filipinos make their own barbecue chicken, but let's just say this is my own recipe. But feel free to drop in the comment section your suggestion on how you make your own barbecue chicken. Stay tuned and ensure to watch to the end. Here are the ingredients I'll be using for the barbecue chicken. I have chili pepper, bell pepper, onion, green chili, bay leaf and thyme leaf, and also basil leaf. I really love adding basil leaf to my barbecue chicken because of the aroma it gives. And I also have here vegetable oil. I have soy sauce and also seasoning, liquid seasoning as well. So I'm going to be blending this basil leaf with the onion and bell pepper together in order to marinate the chicken then before roasting. So you have to stay tuned and also watch until the end because I believe you will learn one or two. Thank you. So guys, the first thing I'm going to be adding is the blended basil leaf, onion and bell pepper, and then I will also be adding the blended chili pepper. Then I'm going to use this to rub all over the chicken in and out. Then I'll ensure to add more of this inside the chicken. And then I'll be adding my soy sauce, vegetable oil, and the liquid seasoning as well. Then guys, the rest of the basil leaf, the onion and the bay leaf, I'm going to be adding these ones inside the chicken as well as the green chili. So I will add this one inside the chicken. So guys, I'll let this sit in the ref for about 15 to 20 minutes. So guys, after about 20 minutes, I'm going to put it in the air fryer. So after about 45 minutes to 1 hour, as you can see, our chicken is ready. See how it looks so delicious and yummy. I mean, you really want to try this. Thank you guys for watching. Catch you in my next video. Bye.